Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you don't know me, I am Jaime, and I have my own YouTube channel. This is it, and today I will be showing you how to teleport someone to you in Minecraft. So the first thing you want to do is, you can see on my screen that up in the top middle bit, there's this bit with 3 bits, and then you press a squiggly line and you press teleport. You press who, and if you've got any friends on the game, you can press their gamer tag and teleport them to you. But this is only if it's on your world, because no one can do stuff on your world because Minecraft don't want you to be getting angry and giving this game a bad rate. So I hope you saw today, and next time I will show you how to do it, but with my brother, so you guys can see that I can teleport. So, hope you liked today's video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You see the red little subscribe thing? Well, press that, smash it, but don't smash your phone. So, we love peace, peace loves us. Bye!
That's Jaime signing out of Jaime and Emmanuel channel. Bye.